die quick. When I'm in traffic, gotta slide with the beam on. Cause I keep out here and bustin' out the jeans on. I ain't tryna die young, but I'm the right one. Still there, gold down in my Balenciaga.
Hey everyone, we are back. We just got to the hotel, you guys. It's the second day for Rolling Loud. It was going pretty good, man. Like it was going good.
Roddy Fresh was dope.
Yep.
And then right after that, it went downhill. Like right when the nigga tried to go see Polo G, that shit just went downhill. So Myra lost her phone, but technically it got stolen. We got jacked at Rolling Out, which is crazy. So yeah, basically we were all going through a bottleneck of to get to the stage for
Let me get
Polo
over
G, and then
I'm gonna go to him so I can be close.
all right. So we was all going to Polo G. There's like this bottleneck little area where everybody's damn near like chest to ass. So everybody like this, like sardines pushing this shit. Niggas getting knocked over, all types of shit. So got there. We tried to leave quick because we tried to get the Young Thug. And then right when we came back, what was funny is I kept hearing people, oh man, I dropped my phone. So people looking for their phones on the floor and shit. I'm stepping over nonchalant. And he's like, hey man, gotta go get the Young Thug. You feel me? Got to the other side. It was after a mosh pit, basically. And I realized
His fanny pack.
my fanny pack was open, which was crazy.
Like,
First
let me
thing-
show you guys. Like, hold the camera back.
Yeah. Hey. I get the good views, baby. So,
Where's your fanny pack?
where's the fanny pack? Alright, so, this is my fanny pack. Tell me.
You guys, this is his
This
fanny
is my
pack.
fanny pack.
You guys
My
don't
fanny
see.
pack. Alright, this is my fanny pack. And I had this shit like this, crossbody style. You feel me?
Crossbody.
Crossbody.
You got in the front.
Well, granted, sometimes it would slip down, but
Yeah.
yeah, it was in the front of me, like that. And when we got to the other side, I saw that this fanny pack was like this, which was nice. And what was in this fanny pack was this. So,
You guys, he had.
I'm surprised that I did not like get robbed. Well, we got robbed. I'm surprised that all my money ain't fall out. Granted, I shouldn't have been carrying this much money and stuff, but Myra's phone did get stolen. So when everybody was like, "Oh, my phone, like it fell and shit," niggas was actually getting nabbed. Like hands going in purses and pockets, all types of shit. Niggas actually went and chased some people down, which I heard after the fact when I went to Lost and Found that some people had to run after someone to get their phone back, which was real smart. But at that time, they should have told everybody like niggas getting robbed. I ain't never hear the news, so my thing was just to get through the mosh pit and hold on to Myra if I can. You feel me? But yeah.
It was so crazy too, though, because it was a little girl, like she was 8 years old.
She had to
like,
be like 8 years old.
It was so bad, you guys. Like, literally, they were like pushing her. She was with her mom, dad, little brother. It was so bad. And then I was just like, I felt like that was my kid. Like, I don't have no kids. I don't know what's the love to like have a kid, But I was like, yo, like everybody's pushing this kid. Like this kid, like couldn't even see this kid. And I'm like, it's like, if she breathing, like, is she okay? I was just like going crazy. So I started screaming like, yo, like there is a kid in here. Like there is a baby. Like you guys have to make space. And everybody's like, everybody's pushing. Like it was so bad. I was like, this shit is crazy. Like it's crazy. This is our first like type of like event that we do like this.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like,
I don't know about any other festivals, man.
They having the one in LA, which we have tickets.
Too, but
I don't know if we're gonna.
This shit. I don't know about all that.
I'm gonna stick to concerts, cause.
Stick to concerts and clubs, baby.
Yeah, cause I can't do this shit, yo. It was bad.
Man.
Like it was bad. Like, and it started raining.
Listening to Roddy Ricch, but
it was actually nice though.
That was
like,
actually fun.
Really
everybody
nice.
like participated. No one was like, "Oh, let me get out of here." People was pulling out ponchos and all types of shit. You know,
my makeup went to like waist.
Yeah, wiping your face and stuff. But you know, we ain't gonna let this take down our trip to Chill Another Day of Rolling Loud. We may or may not go because I do want to enjoy Miami as well. Post Malone will be there headlining and stuff. I did miss out on Travis Scott today.
That's the one that we was going for, like the most,
basically. Yeah, so we left maybe like 30, 40 minutes before his because, you know, we was kind of done with it. We wanted to hit South Beach. So,
yeah, we about to like go and see.
Go ahead, get ready, you know.
I'm gonna wear a dress.
You wear a dress.
Cute dress.
Hit a club or, you know, a little.
Yeah. Enjoy though, to be honest,
enjoy
because
the night.
It's just been crazy. Like first day, like a lot of shit went down. We didn't record that, like, you know, because it was like crazy.
It was way too much.
We got there late, so yesterday we got there late, but like we had a little bit of fun.
Yeah.
Then we came back home. We had like a little walk in the morning, getting ready for today. Like I was like, oh, this shit gonna be like nice. We got there, like as soon as we got there, we like got food and everything was
got
like
drinks,
cool, like everything, like. And
we saw a little bit of Kodak.
Oh yeah, let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat, baby.
Can I drive the boat? Are you gonna let me drive the boat?
Hell nah, girl, you ain't got it. You hardly can drive a car. So,
damn.
My bad. So yeah, the concert was fun today. A lot of them. Roddy Ricch was dope.
He was.
And it was dope. I really wanted to see Young Thug, but you know, at that time we was, you know, trying to get the phone. Realized that shit ain't gonna happen. We gotta just upgrade. But yeah. So we'll see about tomorrow. We want to see Meg Thee Stallion. Well, Mara want to see Meg Thee Stallion. You know, I don't mind. But so we'll keep y'all updated on what's happening in our vacation. So we'll see you guys right now. Is it clean? Yeah.
So we are out and about. So we just spoke with you guys about my lost phone. So now Reggie.
Stolen phone. Emphasis on the stolen.
But now Reggie's phone is mine. Oh, what do you got in your phone? Do you trust?
Before, baby.
Do you trust your phone with me?
Of course.
So I've been taking picture, video with my other phone. I'm so sad. I feel like I'm not gonna get those back. But yeah. But now Reggie's phone is gonna be my phone. So I'm gonna go through all his messages and shit. So if you in his DM, La Toxic is here. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. So look at baby. He looking cute. Wait. Let me.
I'm drip down. Put the waist down.
Hey.
Nah, but you look better.
No.
They always look better. Come on now. Ooh. You see that dress? Hold on. Bam. Hey, no. Don't give him too much. Nah, I see you lurking. Stop playing. All right, so we just about to go out to South Beach and have a good time, eat a little, dance a little. All right, so we'll see you guys when we get there.
Have some kids,
baby. For our trip, we're now packing, getting ready to go home, and
I'm not ready.
Finally, I know I ain't ready either, but we gotta go home, make some money, because we spend too much money. All right. So we about to go downstairs and have them hold on to our bags, because we got way too many. We came with less bags than this.
We came with like 2.
Damn, look at that. Oh my God. We came with we came with 2 bags, and then Greg and Nish, they were flying back with a different airline, so they had the paper bags, and since we flew Southwest, we get the free check bag, so that's why we're taking all these extra bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're just gonna go downstairs and hand off all these bags to the concierge, and then go get some breakfast and stuff and wait until 3 p.m. to go to the airport because yeah, we gotta check out at 12. There is no later checkout than that.
Well, imagine.
Green.
What?
Bam.
What?
All right, so anyway, hopefully we get some really good food because yesterday we got some really good food. We weren't able to record the beach because first we went and got food. We were so full, so we walked super slow to the beach and just forgot about it. We just hopped in the water and it was amazing. But yeah, we're gonna show y'all what we eat and we're on our way out. So we're on our way to go eat the same thing that we ate yesterday, same place that we ate yesterday, but different food. Yesterday we got watermelon waffles and what? Watermelon waffles and fried chicken. Yeah. So today I want to try the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese looked really good. Man, mac and cheese was like $14, so I didn't get it that day because that shit, the watermelon waffles and fried chicken was way too much. So
we ate breakfast,
we ate
lunch,
that
and dinner
just at that place, just by getting that food. So hopefully the mac and cheese is good. So you're gonna see us making our way downtown, walking fast. Places pass and I'm homebound.
Now that she doesn't have a phone, she's always on mine. She feels so weird without one. She's always like patting her pockets to see if she got one on her, but she don't.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, bro.
Like, do you have my phone?
No.
Or like, I forgot my phone. I feel sad. Whoever stole my phone.
Fuck them niggas. Oh God, for real. But we gonna get you a new one. Alright.
No, but it's not the same.
It's not the same. Still waiting on this food to get here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm drinking
Black coffee.
black coffee.
Straight black. Like your boy.
Like it.
You damn right.
The coffee, man.
Of course, it's just coffee. I know what you're talking about. Sure.
So we just finished eating.
And it was good. That mac and cheese was good.
It was fire.
And then I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even try the tenders. I was kind of full after eating half my waffle. I don't know, in the mornings, I usually don't eat. I eat a lot in the mornings, but I don't know why. Here, just on vacation, I just get full fast. And it's already noon, and I'm already full after half of my meal. You know, your boy getting skinny out here, you know, trying to get that body right and tight for next summer, because, you know, this summer I failed.
Yep, everybody did. I did better this summer though, because last summer was like, nah.
Yeah,
really.
this summer you were eating good, especially right before the trip too.
Yeah. Yo, I lost weight in like 2 months. I lost probably like 15 pounds.
In 2 months.
In 2 months. I'm so proud of myself.
Nice. Me, you know,
I'm waiting for you to like.
Oh, my bad, babe. Me, I'm just going up in weight, shit. It's hot out here. So I realized I left my credit card at the hotel when we were trying to pay for the food. Luckily, I carry multiple credit cards, so I was able to pay for food. But I gotta. Well,
he was carrying all those credit cards in the freaking rolling loud. I'm so thankful they didn't took that shit.
Yeah, but it's okay. I still got Apple Pay, and I can cancel it all just from my phone, so it's not that big of a deal. But yeah. So now when we go back to the hotel, make sure we get our luggage, and then I gotta make sure I remember to grab that credit card, because that is my number one used credit card, because it got the best rates, and
it looks better too. Everybody, every time he pays, they're like, oh, this car is so nice. Oh, this
titanium, baby. When you hear it clank, clink, 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 that's money dropping.
They gotta set me down.
Yeah,
but that's cool.
Because you already have an account with Marcus, so Goldman Sachs. So they're like, oh, you got an account with us, so why do you need an Apple card, I guess. But Barclay accepted you.
Yeah, Barclay has it.
So
Yeah.
So we are back and we are at the airport.
Getting ready
As
to
you
go.
can see, it's stressful carrying a bunch of bags, to be honest. We was like, I don't know how we did it. You see, Reggie went shopping like crazy.
I ain't go shopping. You went shopping. I don't shop.
What do you do?
I pay for it.
That's the cost of having a wife. You pay, but it's not yours.
Here, hold it for me.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, you guys, we finally made it back home. Big bro picked us up. We had a very nice trip to Florida, and this is the end of it. And we're starving, so we got some food. Ooh, damn. I left my food in the car. Shit. Hold on, I'll be right. Okay. So we just landed, and now we're going up. Huh? Alright. So yeah, about to eat some food. These niggas are starving, and oh man, it was a wonderful trip. I'm gonna have Myra let y'all know about some shit that happened. Oh, we got a story to tell y'all about our Uber driver. If y'all want to know, nah, you know what? We're just gonna make a separate video because it's gonna be long. Man, the guy was mad funny. His story about him and what's happening to him right now is crazy. All right, I'm gonna let Myra talk to you.